Hey, what's up, Brent from Brinsby? Thanks so much for watching Brinsby TV. Short one today, 21 GT Auto, laying down over 700 real horsepower with an ESS Supercharger. We're gonna go down, take a closer look. We are gonna watch that dyno pull. Hey, if you haven't subscribed, notify us today. I have Doug with me. Let's go check it out. All right, so what do we have going? 93 octane auto, like I said. We have the ESS G3 Supercharger. We're laying down about 12 pounds of boost. We're gonna check out the dynographs. Also said it cooks long tube headers. We did install a set of billet oil pump gears. Besides that, about it. 93 octane ESS G3, 700 tires. Check out this pull. All right, a lot of you might be wondering what fuel system's on this car. It has like 2020 GT500 fuel injectors, a boosted pump. Check out these numbers. DynoJet, SAE, smoothing 5, two different pulls we're gonna look at. 716 of the tires, 7,400 RPM, 12 PSI. I will put a link in the description of the pulleys. This is 9 PSI, 641 raw horsepower, 7,500 RPM. Down here, the torque, 526 at 12, 475 at 9. Awesome graphs across the board. And again, in that description, I will put links of the actual pulley diameter, because if you have a blower like this, you want to know. We did 12, we did 9, but here it is. 21 GT Auto, car is fast on the street. I love it. ESS is a cool blower. If you have any questions, leave a comment. You can email quote@brinsby.com. Hey, what's this cost to get installed? And of course, open that description, put a lot more info. Thanks for watching.